Are you having a hard time fighting stress, fatigue, or illness? Well, you may just need a better way to take your vitamins. Imagine that. It could be that simple. Dr. Vernon Williams from the Wellness and Aesthetics Medical Center is here to explain how it works. Dr. Williams, thank you. Welcome back to Great Day SA. I love, there's a saying that you have, is that if you want to bake a cake, you've got to have the right ingredients. The same is true of the body. You want good results, you've got to put good things in. You're talking this morning about customized vitamins. What is it exactly? How does it work? How do they work?
Well, if you want your body to heal properly, you have to have the right nutrition in your body.
Okay.
The reason why we eat food is so that the body can actually take the nutrition out of the food. And that could be vitamins, it could be minerals, it could be herbs. The body has to extract that from the foods that you eat.
Okay.
Now, your body is a symphony. If you're going to bake a cake and you put too much salt in the cake wouldn't taste good.
Okay.
Well, it's the same thing with your body. If you put the wrong things into your body cannot grow properly.
Right.
So customized vitamins is a way of making the vitamins unique for your body.
Right. And so what you do essentially with patients is you meet with them, you assess them, and then you give them that is very specified to their healing and to their wellness.
Yes. What we do is we actually take their blood work and we take their history, and we also take a family history of what kinds of problems they have in their family.
Yes.
And then by taking all this together, we customize it where we could actually attend to their immediate problems and help prevent them from getting future problems that's genetically they can.
And obviously family history and all those sorts of things play a role in how you're going to receive your care. Okay, so which brings us to something called intravenous nutritional therapy, or IV nutritional therapy is probably easier for people to understand. How does it work?
Well, you can get nutrition in several ways. You can eat, and when you eat, a lot of the foods that you eat, the body breaks it down and you waste a lot of it. All right. You can get it by rubbing it on your skin, or you can get it by injection, or you can get it intravenously. The best way to get it would be intravenously, because everything you give them, they actually absorb into your system.
We hear stories oftentimes about, if you take vitamins in pill form, obviously a lot of it is expelled.
Exactly.
This is different in that your body absorbs and receives it and then goes to work.
Correct.
Okay.
Also with IV nutrition, you can also give a lot more of the nutrition. For instance, if you have an infection, if you have HIV, if you have chronic fatigue syndrome, you could actually put more of the nutrients you need in there to fight those intravenously as opposed to orally or injection-wise.
So that's very interesting. Talk about some of the things that it can treat specifically in addition to some of the things you've already mentioned. We talked about stress and fatigue and things that they may not have a chronic illness, but just everyday things that may not be right.
Depression, asthma, cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer can all be treated with IV nutrition.
Okay, and what are the benefits? Are there any risks?
Well, like with anything else, when you eat food, your body takes what it needs. With IV nutrition, you actually can give your body what you think the body needs. Right. So everything you give, it's 100% absorbed into your system. So in a sense, when you eat foods, the body extracts a very little bit of what you take in. So the actual best way to do it is to actually give your body the right amount.
Okay. And I know you've heard and had wonderful success with patients, your own patients, who've had some remarkable changes in just doing the intravenous therapy for themselves, nutritional therapy. Something interesting to consider. Yes, indeed. So we have a special mention this morning for our Great Day SA viewers. Tell us about that.
Well, I think that anyone who comes for a free consultation, they will get a micro laser, a laser peel and a photofacial done for them.
Okay. Fantastic, Dr. Williams. We appreciate it. Dr. Williams is located at the Wellness and Aesthetics Medical Center. If you'd like to learn more about IV nutritional therapy, what it consists of, and are you a candidate for it, he's located at 19016 Stone Oak Parkway. That's at Suite 240. And there's his phone number, 210-495-8558. And then the website, TWAAMC. That's TWAAMC.com.